All right, next break is box break number 4 of Upper Deck Marvel Black Diamond. It was random card. Here's the order. I'll also say whose card it is when I go through them. Okay. Sad. I'm sad that this is the last one. Jude Law is pretty cool though in the last box.
Yeah, we'll need one of the Infinity Stone cards.
Yeah.
That would make it.
That would be the coolest.
Or an autographed cool inscription. I've seen there's a few of them.
Not in person, UCCF, but online, yeah. I saw that one. All right, number 1, T-Mac, Tony Mac Jr. Ooh, I love her. Gamora. 2/149. Going to the Galaxy Volume 2. Look at that sass on her face. Number 2 is Tim A.
Yeah, this was the same face I saw when Sam says you're doing hockey breaks.
Yeah, that's pretty accurate. Tim, spot number 2. Oh my goodness, it's Goose. Ah, that's
Goose
awesome.
is one of those surprising cards. Kind of has a following.
Probably, I bet it does.
A little more value than you think it does for a cat card.
Well, it's not. Cat. Spoiler alert! It's not a cat card.
If you don't know by now.
If you don't know, yeah. 3 is J Murphy.
There you go, Habits.
J Murphy. Oh, to 49. It's a gold. Emily Van Camp. Sharon Carter card. Autograph card. That looks so good. Looks like a swanky hotel lobby background, doesn't it?
Look how innocent she looks.
Oh no. I know better now.
It's not like she has any power.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it definitely looks like a swanky hobby. Wait, that was a number 2 spot?
That was a 3 spot.
That was a 3 spot. Okay, I was gonna say that was J Murphy. For Sharon. It's okay, guys. For Ethan Sala. Iron Man. Let's get the Marvel Studios portion.
That's the one I want to do the
Iron Man
6 patches of, yep.
Yeah, doesn't surprise me. Isatala, you got the Iron Man Black Diamond polish patches. And
I wouldn't say she has powers.
She
may
is
be
powerful.
A broker of powers.
Yeah.
To watch the I'm sorry, didn't mean to interrupt the middle of this break. But
5 Ethan Sala. Oh, another one. 16 of 16 on this one. Retro Diamond Relic M'Baku. Oh, those are so cool. I can't believe we got 2 of those. 16 of 16. Ethan Sala. Single diamond. And the last card, Brian, is Sebastian Stan. 14 of 23. Bucky Barnes. 16 or 14 of 23. I don't know where I got 16. I think I said 16. 14 of 23. Sebastian Stan as Bucky Barnes.